Hi, Rizvan here from ranktactics.com. I wanted to put this quick tutorial together for you because I want to show you how quick and easy it is to set up a website within under 4 minutes. If you have an additional 5 minutes afterwards, I'll even show you how to set up your own logo, install your essential plugins, your themes, categories, and even publish your first post. Many people have that preconceived idea that setting up a website takes a few hours to a couple of days. However, we're going to set up a website within under 4 minutes. Secondly, this tutorial is an add-on to a case study I'm doing on building your own private blog network. A private blog network is a blog network which consists of several smaller niche targeted websites. And with these websites, you're going to be adding content and obviously using WordPress to build these smaller niche targeted websites. So it's always a good idea that you know how you can easily and streamline the whole entire setup process. Okay, now before I actually get into the walkthrough, I want to just let you know why it's important to have your own website. If you're a small business or you're a large business or even just a blogger, it's important because many people these days are relying on the internet for information. If you're looking for a product, if you're looking for a service, or even if you're just looking for a solution, you are going to go to search engines to do a quick search and find out exactly what's available online. Many people have mobile phones. They'll be sitting somewhere even outside, and the first thing they'll do is they'll get on their mobile phone and they'll search for information. Now, if you're a blogger and you're sharing content with your readers, it's a great way to do it. Instead of you publishing content in newspapers now, or even going relying on word of mouth for information to get around, these days you can even publish almost anything on the website, even videos on your blog through YouTube, to get that information out there and slowly grow your business, which is amazing. Growth is the essential thing that businesses are looking for, and a website is a great way to grow your brand, to grow your business. Okay, now before I get started, I just want to let you know two quick things. The first thing is I'm going to be doing this, the initial setup, within under 4 minutes. Again, if you have some little bit of time left afterwards, like 5 minutes or so, I'll even show you how to get the logo, the plugins, the categories, and even content up there. Secondly, I will be using GoDaddy, and I suggest you do the same. GoDaddy has been around for several years and have a solid reputation. I personally use them. I would not recommend anything that I don't personally use. The domains and the hosting are cheap. They've even automated the whole installation process. You can install WordPress with the click of a mouse and you are up and ready to go. Okay, so before I get into the walkthrough again, I want to thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Okay, great guys. So what I've done is I've come over here to my website at ranktactics.com, which is ranktactics.com. I will be starting my tutorial from here, my walkthrough from here. I will click on this banner, which is the GoDaddy banner, to get started. I also want to let you know the timer I will be using. It's eggtimer.com. It's an awesome timer. For those of you who do need a timer for your tasks that you do, use this one. It's very easy to set up. It's e.ggtimer.com. I will set it to 4 minutes and hit go when I'm ready to get started. Okay, so with that said, let's get started with the walkthrough of installing WordPress on your hosting. There's a few things you need to keep in mind. I will be registering a domain, selecting a new hosting plan, and then I'll proceed with installing WordPress. Once WordPress has been installed, I will show you exactly how to log in. At that point, it should be around the 4 minute mark. At that point, what I'll do is I will end the 4 minutes, and then I'll start an additional 5 minutes if you want to carry on with the tutorial, where I'll show you how to upload the logo, install the theme, add categories, and finally add the essential plugins to the WordPress site. Okay, so thank you very much, and let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the timer here and click on the banner to get started. So we can hit the get started button. pick your plan, which would be an economy plan. We'll leave this at 12 months, and the Linux. Over here it'll say choose a domain, but we will do that during the checkout process. So let's go ahead and remove this one. So here's the plan that I added, and we'll leave this at 1 month for now. And let's go ahead and choose our domain, which will be rank tutorials. And what I'll do is, just for this tutorial, I will purchase the cheapest one. However, if you're setting up your first website, go with the .com. And let's bring this down here. So we'll see that the total is 1168, well, 1350. And let's go ahead and proceed with checkout. And I have my payment method selected. And let's go ahead and place the order. Oh, I gotta fix up my postal code. And let's go ahead and there you go. Perfect. So the transaction is processing. Alright, so it's go time. Let's go ahead and set up our hosting. And we'll go ahead and manage. Oh, you know what? Let's go back to my account quickly here. We'll go back to the hosting plan. Here's the new one. And we'll set a rank tutorials, and this will be rank tactics 01. And for the password, I'll go ahead and set this up right now like that. And let's go ahead and finish this. Okay, so it's setting up the cPanel. Your account setup finished early, so let's go ahead and get started here. Perfect. So welcome new user. No, I'm fine. Let's go ahead and select WordPress from the control panel. Install this application. Directory will leave it as blank because I want to go into the root directory. This is fine. I accept the license. Automatic update, you can select which one. And let's be administrative username. Password will be the same one I had before. Email, my blog, and the rest of the settings are pretty much ready to go. And let's go ahead and install the application. It's processing. And see how quick it's getting everything installed. We have 30 seconds to go, and everything should be up and ready. Perfect, so it's done. Now we can go and click on this link, which is Rank Tactics Tutorial Info, and click on WP Admin. And voila, you're into your control panel for WordPress. Let's just go visit your site in the meantime. Perfect. Here you go. And we did that with 3 seconds, with about, there you go, perfect, 4 minutes, and there goes the timer. Okay, so now that we've done that within 4 minutes, I just want to show you one quick thing. Let me just move this up. For those of you not familiar, let me log out of here. So ranktacticstutorial.info. For those of you not familiar with how to log in, all you need to do is, so this is my login screen for WordPress. You just need to go to your domain, which will be ranktacticstutorial.info, which is my domain, and it's going to be a /WP dash admin. Alright, and when you do that, sorry, so rank tactics, sorry, I spelled that wrong. Alright, there you go, and there you go. There you go. Okay, so this is the login to the back end. So what I'm going to do is remember the username I selected, admin, and I'll go ahead and punch in my password. And it will let you in. Okay, so this is exactly how you get into your back end. Now what I like to do at this time is I like to close everything up here, alright, and bring you back to my site, because what I'm going to do at this point is I will add an additional 5 minutes, and I'll continue with showing you how to get some categories set up, install the essential plugins, and even get some posts going, as well as finally get your logo up and running. Okay, so let me go ahead and set that up, and I'll be right back. Thanks. Okay guys, so what I've done here is I've set the timer to 5 minutes, which will be the required time, hopefully, to get the WordPress site that we installed in the previous 4 minutes set up. However, before I continue, I just want to go over a few quick things about the plugins that I will be setting up. I just want to give you guys a quick introduction about what these plugins do and why I consider them the essential plugins. So let me head over to PowerPoint, where I'll bring up the name of each and I'll give you a quick explanation. Alright, so just 1 second here. Okay, so here's my PowerPoint. So the first one we're going to be installing is All-in-One SEO plugin. Now this plugin will optimize your WordPress site for search engine optimization. It'll easily add a title, description, and keywords to your post. It also generates meta tags automatically, and there's no setup required for beginners since it works out of the box. The next one we have is WP Quick Cache. It improves the site performance by taking a quick snapshot every time a visitor arrives on your site. This information is stored so it can be referenced later when the visitor returns. The information doesn't need to be loaded from the start, saving you time while increasing your speed. Just enable it and you're ready to go. The next one you have is External Links, which is another awesome plugin. This plugin will open all links pointing to external sites in a new browser window. It helps decrease bounce rate and makes it easier for the visitor to come back to your website. The next one we have is Reduce Bounce Rate. It will tell Google Analytics every 10 seconds that your visitor is still on the page and that there was some sort of interaction on that page. Your page will be unbounced. See, now Google uses bounce rate, which is someone arriving on your site, which is on one page, and immediately leaving without visiting any other page. Now what this plugin does, it shows, well, I shouldn't say it shows, but it tells or it informs Google every 10 seconds that there is some sort of interaction on your page, which overall will tell Google that the person visiting hasn't left. So there is interaction, which it would automatically reduce the bounce rate. Now bounce rate has been proven as a factor in determining your rankings in search engines as well, so keeping a low bounce rate will definitely help with your rankings. Next we have a theme logo. This plugin adds a field in the admin panel that allows you to change the logo of your website without needing any developer. It's very easy and I love using it. I will show you how to upload a logo once I get that plugin installed. Next one is the I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's an image optimizer. It automatically and losslessly optimizes your images as you upload them to your blog. It will also convert the image to another file format while reducing the image size. Great for increasing speed because server will have less load once size is reduced. Okay, great. So I'm back here at my homepage at ranktactics.com, and I've also set the timer to 5 minutes. I've registered a new domain, which is marketingforless.info, and I've gone ahead and installed WordPress on that domain and hosting as well. Now when I log in, you'll see that there's nothing been updated except the default plugins that come with the new installation. So I'll be building everything from scratch. Below in the description, you'll notice a link to the script version of this tutorial, which is on my blog. Now if there's any questions, you can always click that link, head over to my website and the script version of this tutorial, and on the bottom within the comment box, you can always go ahead and post your questions and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Now I have 5 minutes to do this, so what I'll do is I will try to rush through it as much as I can. However, if you pay close attention, it's really not that difficult. You could get it done within 5 minutes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this started. So let's go ahead and set the timer, and let me go ahead and log in to my website. Okay, so it's already going to take me to the dashboard. Well, that's fine. All you need to do is go marketingforless.info/WP dash admin. Obviously you replace marketing4less.info with your domain. Okay, now if you need to go ahead and set up a theme, head to appearance themes and you can choose the theme you want to activate. However, if you want to search one, you can go ahead and search one right here and go ahead and add a brand new theme. I will stick with 2013 just because it's very easy to customize and I really do like that theme. Alright, so next what you can do is head over to plugins, install. And now all you need to do is type in the name of the plugin I was telling you before from the list and it will bring it up. There you go, all-in-one SEO. Hit install. Once it's been installed, activate the plugin. I'm going to go ahead and do one more now, which is going to be theme logo. I need this theme logo plugin because I will be installing a logo. Perfect. Activate the plugin. Next, what you can do is upload the logo to your server. So go to media, add new. You select the file from your computer. So you got to go to where you have saved your logo. I have saved mine on the desktop. There you go. It would automatically upload it, and what you need to do now is click on edit because you will need this file location right here, and I'll show you in just a second why. Once you have copied this, head over to appearance. You will see the theme logo plugin right here. Click on that and paste the URL right here and save changes. Now you need to make one simple change to a file, which is the header file, and I'll show you how to do that. Head to appearance, editor. You'll see all the theme files right here, and you need to go to header.php and you're going to look for PHP blog info bracket name, and you highlight this right here and you replace it with what you copied and you update the file. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open up my site here quickly if I can, just to see if the logo has been uploaded. And perfect, it has. ranktactics.com. Perfect. So let's head back over here. The next thing I like to do is head over to posts, categories, because I just want to add two quick categories. The first category will be Riz number 1. Add new. It's that simple. And Riz number 2. Add new. It's that simple. Now we're going to be creating menu items to link back to these categories. So what you like to do is probably hover over it, click view so it opens up, and you want to copy the URL of that category. Alright, and then you head back over into your dashboard, and then what you can do is head over to appearance again, menu. Perfect. And what you like to do is go to links and add the first menu item. So let's just put something like main menu and the URL that we want that button to go to, or that menu item to go to, which will be the category that I had copied earlier. All you need to do is add to menu. Now you might need to configure this, which goes menu setting, auto add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu, yes, and theme. So you want to add this menu item to the navigation menu and just go save. So let's go ahead and refresh and see if it actually showed up. Perfect. There you go, menu item. And you see this has taken us to the category that I had copied before. Finally, let's go to posts, add new. Let's add something special here. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Alright, and then after that what you can do is write something here just like this is an example. Alright, and what you can do after that is head over to categories and select what category you want it to go to. I forgot which category I had set the menu item for, so I'll select them both in the meantime and just hit publish. Perfect. So if I click on the home, there you go. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I click over here, it'll take me to the post, or I can click on menu item and it'll take me to the category that I had set everything up for. It's that simple. If I want to add another post, what I can do is I can click add new. That's all for today. Alright, and I'm pretty much out of time here, but all you need to do is thanks for watching again. Let's go ahead and click the two menu items and publish again, and you'll see that not only will it show up on the home page, it will show up underneath the category I selected as well. Alright, so I hope that you got everything that I just did. If not, head over to the script version of this tutorial on my website. Just click the link below. But I do want to thank you very much for watching my tutorial. You just learned how to buy a domain, purchase hosting, install WordPress, and set up the essential WordPress stuff as well as categories and posts within literally 9 minutes, and that is absolutely amazing. So thank you very much, and I hope that you would come by and check out my blog at ranktactics.com. Thank you, and have yourself a wonderful night.